Have you ever watched a how to get more views video on YouTube and felt like they all say the same thing? Have a good thumbnail, make a strong hook, write a clickable title. Those are all important, but today I want to give you 10 lesser known hacks that can actually move the needle on your channel. I'm Chris Hall, a videographer and content strategist. I help brands, creators, and professionals grow their audience and turn their content into conversions. Watch this in its entirety because by the end of this video, you'll have at least one new strategy you can start using immediately to get more views. Now let's dive in. Hack number 1. Refresh old videos that flopped. Let's start with something that can literally turn an old video into a success story. Have you ever uploaded a video and it just flopped? The watch time was decent, but the clicks just wasn't clicking. That's a sign that your content was good, but your packaging wasn't. Here's the fix. Change the thumbnail to something bolder and cleaner. After that, rewrite the title to spark curiosity or promise a clear benefit. Check it out. When it comes to the thumbnail design, don't try to do everything yourself. I'm a videographer and content strategist, not a graphic designer. Once I started outsourcing my thumbnail designs, I immediately seen a shift in quality and production. Find someone who can do it better than you. And don't delete your old videos, revive them. Hack number 2. A/B test your titles and thumbnails. Now, if you want to take that last hack to the next level, you can run A/B testing. No, not the grade that you wish you got in school. This is a method used to compare the versions of something. Instead of guessing which thumbnail will work, test two versions against each other. I personally use TubeBuddy for this. I upload a new thumbnail or title variation and TubeBuddy automatically rotates them. Then it measures which version gets more clicks. When the test is done, it tells you the winner. That's the version that you keep. This is one of the simplest ways to increase views without making new content. Hack number 3, the playlist link hack. This next one is sneaky, but powerful, so follow me. We all know playlists keep people watching longer, but here's the hack. Go to any playlist on your channel and click the View Full Playlist in the URL link. You'll see the list = followed by numbers and letters. Copy that code. Now add that code to the end of any video link, even if the video isn't yours. Don't worry. You're not stealing, you're piggybacking. When someone clicks that link, your playlist appears in the sidebar and your video automatically plays next. This is like free autopilot views because YouTube automatically lines up your content to be binge watched. Hack number 4, add the current year to your titles. Here's a simple tweak that smaller channels can use to beat bigger ones. Example, instead of how to grow on YouTube, use how to grow on YouTube in 2025. Why does this work? Well, viewers want the most up-to-date info. It makes your video instantly feel fresh and relevant. Now, real world example. I was looking for a video editing technique on YouTube and I seen 2 tutorials. Now, one tutorial explained the technique but didn't have a date in the title and was published 3 years ago. The other one had the current year in the title. Guess which one I clicked on? Granted, both videos showed the same technique and could have been recorded around the same time because the method hadn't changed. But me, as a viewer, I wanted the most up-to-date video just in case. Hack number 5, bulk update old videos. If you have dozens of older videos, updating them one by one is painful. That's where bulk editing tools come in handy. Tools like TubeBuddy let you update titles, descriptions, and links in bulk. Replace outdated years or broken affiliated links too. Keep your content feeling fresh and optimized. This is a set and forget way to revive your content library. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button on this video. This is a perfect way to show your support for the channel. Anyway, back to the video. Hack number 6. Re-upload and repurpose your old content. You're seeing a theme here with the old content stuff, right? Don't underestimate the power of your old videos. Now, random advice, don't recycle your old relationships, but most definitely recycle your old videos. Here are 3 ways that you can do it. Number 1, combine several shorter videos into a full masterclass. Number 2, break a long video into short, focused clips. Number 3, re-record popular segments with updated info. Now, this approach gives you new uploads without spending hours creating new ideas from scratch. Hack number 7, study other competitors. One of the fastest ways to grow is to learn from other channels your audience already watches. This is probably the number one for me. Be a student of the game. I'm a basketball fan. Jordan learned from Magic, Kobe learned from Jordan, and LeBron learned from Kobe. Tools like TubeBuddy's niche insights show you which videos on other channels are overperforming or underperforming. If a channel with 50,000 subscribers has a video with 200,000 views, that's called an outlier and a topic worth making your own spin on. This takes all the guesswork out of finding high potential video content ideas. Hack number 8, create video series for viewers to binge watch. If you've ever felt stuck in a niche or going through creator's block, this is the perfect solution. Now, full transparency, I go through this all the time. It's either creator's block or imposter syndrome, either not being able to come up with something to create, or even when I do create something, I don't want to put it out because I think I'm not knowledgeable enough in the subject and viewers will pick up on that. Instead of boxing yourself in, create a short series, 3 to 5 videos on a single topic, clearly labeled as a series. Then link them all in a playlist. When somebody watches the first video, they're more likely to binge watch the rest. And when the series is done, you can combine them into a single masterclass for even more views. Hack number 9, smart end screen strategy. End screens are prime real estate, but most creators misuse them. Here's the move. Feature just one video on your end screen and give a specific verbal or visual call to action. For example, if you found this helpful, subscribe here and click here for the next step. Being hyper-specific will double your end screen clicks compared to showing 2 random videos. Hack number 10, use analytics to spot opportunity videos. Now, I know creators shy away from analytics because it looks like you need to be a seasoned data analyst just to understand it. But trust me, your analytics are full of hidden gems. And it's not as hard as you think, especially if you filter out the fluff. So here's what to look for. Videos with high watch time but low click-through rate, change the thumbnail or title. Videos with high click-through rate but low retention, improve the actual content or packaging. Perform 1 or 2 small tweaks on the right video can completely change your channel's momentum. And there you have it, 10 YouTube hacks that can help you get more views without making 10 brand new videos. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want to learn 3 easy social media hacks to help you grow, click the video right here and I'll break it down step by step.